Hello everyone, my name is Shazli Kabir and I'm with PIA Global, leading our international partnership across Asia. I am excited to share that we will be at the IWA Water and Development Congress and exhibition taking place in Bangkok, Thailand from the 8th to the 12th of December. At PIA Global, we are showcasing a breakthrough in water infrastructure assessment, the PCAT technology, which was developed from cutting-edge research at the University of Adelaide. So, what drove us to develop PCAT? It all began with a critical challenge: aging infrastructure and rising non-revenue water losses. Traditional inspection methods were too time-consuming, destructive, and costly. Utilities needed a smarter way to manage risk and costs. And that's where PCAT comes in.
Water is essential to everyday living, and water infrastructure is vital for both our environment and our communities. Consequences of pipeline failures are significant and cause enormous damage, cost, and inconvenience. So what should we do? Replace long stretches of pipe at great expense based solely on the pipe's age, which often results in pipe in good condition being replaced. Now, there's a number of more reliable, cost-effective solutions to this problem. Pipeline Inspection and Assessment, PIA, provide a suite of pipeline condition assessment technologies that are ideal to manage pipeline risk, prioritise areas of likely failure, and plan ahead. These proven, validated and patented technologies are non-invasive, non-destructive, reliable and safe methods of performing pipe condition assessment while the system is still in normal operation. We're able to identify and locate small defects, anomalies, air and gas pockets, remaining wall thickness, illegal offtakes, and other features in long stretches of pipeline of most materials and diameters. By identifying and replacing only those sections of potential failure, millions of maintenance dollars can be saved. This analysis can help water utilities make smart, informed and economical decisions about infrastructure repair and maintenance, minimising incidents of failures and keeping maintenance costs low and reducing the environmental impact, all with minimal disturbance to the system. At PIA, we specialise in multidiscipline pipeline technologies and solutions. We partner with our clients to deliver knowledge and insight to reduce risk, improve reliability and sustainability. For more information about our pipeline condition assessment technologies, please contact us at piaglobal.com.